Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Pinnacle Studio collaboration email. In today's time there are so many emails is coming from the brand Pinnacle Studio, and they are sending a collaboration email like if you are interested to collaborate with them, then they will provide you lots of offers, like they are going to pay you lots of amount, like highly, it's like you can't imagine the amount they are offering you. So does it really legit or it's a scam? So basically it's a totally scam. As you know, Pinnacle Studio is a very popular platform, and they have good reputation in the market, and some scammers are using their name. Okay, and how this scam will work? So first of all, they will send you an email, and when you entertain them, and like when you send them reply like you are interested in the collaboration, then they will provide you some kind of, you can like another email. In the email they will provide you some kind of files, like you have to see the images, you have to download the PDF for contract, and you have to read the contract. The contract will only work on your PC. The contract will not work in your phone, because they know the PC is a very, you can like operating system, and the virus is easily run in the PCs. Okay, so they will send you a file, you have to open the file in your PC, and they will also provide you some kind of passwords. You need to enter the passwords, and once you enter your password, once you open your file like a PNG or any MP4 videos, they will send you anything. Like there, you can like mind is very sharp. They will, you can like generate so many, you can like viruses in the form of images, PNGs, and you can like PDF. And when you open any file in your PC, when you download your file and when you open your file will not open, and the file will run in the background, and they will steal your all the information of your PC, like your IP address, your email account, your Gmail account, your each and everything, like your each and every account they will control, and they will change your each and every password, and you are not able to use your, you can like any account like YouTube channels. So everything is in their control. You can't do anything. Once you run your file, you can't do anything. Okay, you just need to, you can do only one thing. If by mistake you have run the file, you can use some adwares, malware bytes to find out where is the virus is running right now. Okay, so basically it's a totally scam. Stay away. Don't try to open these kind of collaboration email. Don't try to entertain them. Don't try to send them you are interested. It's all scam. Okay, so if you have received any email regarding the same, please mention in comment. Your comment is a real experience, or your comment is a real review. Okay, and how much time you have get this, you can like email, and when you get the email, please mention in comments. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you understand my words. If yes, please hit a like button, and be safe, be secure, save your account, save your YouTube channels, and bye bye. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.